click the Invoices tab to create an invoice. As in the report, you can select any range of dates, but you are limited to one client at a time. Most of the other options are the same, except you can mark up expenses by any amount you specify and add a VAT or other tax of any amount. You can specify an invoice number here, but if you don't, one will be suggested when you click the Create Invoice button. In A&E Tracker Plus, you will be asked if you want to address the invoice to a client in Contact Tracker. You have a choice of reusing the last invoice number, specifying the next or some other number, or choosing none. As you can see, the invoice has a customizable header which contains fields for your company name and address. Click Edit Header to reveal these buttons and controls, including Import Logo, Change Name Font, and Address Font. You can reposition or hide any of these three elements and hide the border. You can also export a header and import another if you have several businesses. The Only on Page 1 option removes the header from other pages. You can also remove the header completely or remove the page numbers that appear at the bottom of each page. In A&E Tracker Plus, you can automatically mark all records included in the invoice as invoiced and create an A&E invoice record for the invoice by clicking the Transfer to Invoice Tracker button. In the regular version of A&E Tracker, this button just reads Mark Records as Invoiced. In addition to printing the invoice, you can also copy it to your email program. Here is the Invoice button on the A&E Tracker record. When this is marked, you can't make any further changes to the record. When the invoice is paid, this button will be marked. If you do not want a record to be invoiced, click the On Hold option.